Hey guys, so I have here my JBL Clip 4, and in this video I want to show you how to unpair this Bluetooth speaker from any device. So in case somebody else has access to your speaker and you don't want them to have that, then you can do this process here. And this is called a factory reset, and that will erase all the previous connections to this speaker. So the first thing we have to do, of course, is to turn on the speaker so that we can perform this factory reset. And once it is turned on and paired, then we're going to press and hold two buttons, and that is here the plus button on the front and the Bluetooth pairing button on the back side or on the side here. So we're going to press and hold this for several seconds. So I think it's about 10 seconds that you have to hold both buttons at the same time, and then eventually the speaker is going to shut down. See, you hear the shutdown jingle, and this was already the factory reset here. So now the speaker has forgotten about all the devices that it was paired with before, and the next time you're going to turn it back on, it will automatically go into the Bluetooth pairing mode again, so that you can immediately start pairing the speaker now to your own and only your own smartphone here. And you see this now. If I try to repair at this point with my phone, it says it's not possible. And when we scroll down to the bottom of the list here, we see now JBL Clip 4. We can pair to it again, and now at this point we are the only person that can use the speaker. Okay, so this is already it here. I hope you found this video helpful and give me a thumbs up. And if you have any more questions or comments, then write a message below.